This is gonna be quick since
it's raining. This is just this crappy Emerson thing. I forgot what it's called.
Yeah, we're waiting for a fan collector to come, so this will spare us some time.
Oh, it's definitely built better than the other one that we broke. What if we actually get freaking hate for this one? This thing's just a piece of crap, I promise. It has noisy.
Take the mounting back.
Yeah, we'll take that. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. This is the other one. They're like similar fans. They're both GE vents. This one was a lot cheaper though. This one was better quality. I'd say at least. All right.